this is Pratiksha back with another video, and today the book which we are going to talk is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. So the name itself tells us that how we have to win friends and influence people. So there are some kind of principles which are we going to learn, or which I'm going to explain to you guys. Let's just start. So the book itself tells us that what are we going to learn from this book. So there are some things which we will achieve from this book is like make friends quickly and easily, increase your popularity, win people to your way of thinking, become a better speaker and more entertaining conversationalist. So these are the some basic things which we will learn from this book, and this book is divided into 4 parts. So let's just discuss about the first part. The first part is fundamental techniques in handling people. So in this there are there are some principles which you have to follow. So this book the index is divided into 4 parts, and the first thing is the fundamental techniques in handling people. Sorry. So the first principle is don't criticize, condemn or explain. This is the first principle. It's obviously like you don't have to criticize anyone. Then give honest and sincere appreciation. Arouse in others' problem and ego want. These are the three principles in the first part. So the next part comes here. It's part 2. 6 ways to make you like. So it's like 6 ways to make people like you. There are 6 ways that you should talk with people that they will like you. And the first principle is like become genuinely interested in other people. You have to be like interested in other people. You have to be genuine. Like if you are talking to someone, you have to be genuine with each other. Second is smile. Smile tells everything. So whenever you're talking or you are like walking around, while just give a smile. Smile is everything. Then third is remember that the person's name is to that the person's sweetest and most important sound in any language. So the third step is name. Greet everyone with the name, because name is the first thing which is give the prior effect to the other person to whomsoever you are talking. Then the fourth is be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Correct. So it's like encourage others to talk about themselves. The next is talk in terms of the other's person interest. We should take interest in others people also. Like whenever you are talking, it doesn't mean like you only talking. Give another person also a chance to talk. Let them be themselves. Then the last is make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Correct. Let the other person also feel that he or she is important. So the thing is like whenever you talk with someone, it doesn't mean like you talking. Give a chance to the other person also to talk. Be sincere, be genuine, have a smile on your face. This is the second part, in which this will make our personality develop, how to make friends, how to talk with each other, and how to make good friends. The third part is how to win people to your way of thinking. Now this is a very important part. In this you have to learn how to convince people to they should work according to you. So there are some principles in this also. So the first principle is the only way to get the best of any argument is to avoid. Correct. See, if you are into some of the arguments, so the good thing is like don't go and arguing. It's just like avoid the argument. This is like try and tested formulas. Show respect for others' opinion. Never say you're wrong. This is the second, and that's true. See, if you me talking, it does, and I don't like your opinion, I'll not tell you that you doing, but it's like I cannot give you a negative feedback. So like consider it in a positive way. Third is if you are wrong, admit it quickly and empathically. Correct. If you are wrong, just admit it. You are wrong. Then the next is begin in a friendly way. Start with a friendly way. Then the next is let the other person do a great deal to the talking. Try honestly to see things from others' point of view. Try honestly. Just think like what is the other's point of view. It doesn't like we only every time have to think or always. It's like it never comes like me. Sometimes give chance to other person also to talk. How he or she reacts to the topic. And the last is dramatize your ideas. So this is the third thing, the third part, how to win people to your way of thinking. And the last part is part 4. Be a leader. How to change people without giving offensive or arousing resentments. So it's like you have to be a leader. It's obviously in future you guys are going to be a leader. So in this, so you have to consider that, like, how you have to treat other people, like, without harming or abusing them. You should take that encouragement, how to do that. So let's talk about the principles. The first principle is begin with praise and honest appreciation. First, talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. So if you want to reveal someone's truth, so first start with your mistakes. The front person will immediately start talking about their mistakes. The next is ask questions instead of giving orders. Yeah, correct. Instead of giving orders, try to ask questions. Next is use encouragement, make the false seem easy to correct. And the last is make the other person happy about doing the things you suggest. Give people encouragement, motivational, be always in a positive manner, talk with them in friendly manner. These are some of the principles which are in this book. If you read this book, you'll come to know, like, this everything is, according to me, it's like try and tested. I have tried and tested, so that's why I am talking with you guys. It's a lengthy video, but just try this, just read this book. That will enhance your personality, and trust me, these principles are like tried and tested. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye. And please do like, share and subscribe.